Today I'm going to walk you through the timecode menu. On the first page, you're going to see your frame rate and your generated timecode. On this page, you select your timecode source. I currently have mine set to receive it over ZaxNet. You can also plug it into the 3-pin LEMO on the top of the TRX. If you have your timecode jam mode set to auto jam record, it'll constantly jam timecode via ZaxNet, and will start recording as soon as it receives a record command. If you have it set to auto load record run, this means that it will only receive timecode when you're recording, so as soon as you hit stop on your recorder, it will stop sending timecode. Mute timecode send until jammed means that it won't send timecode until it's jammed. This way you're not sending incorrect timecode to other devices. Auto frame rate detects what frame rate is being sent over ZaxNet. This way you don't have to change it depending on different shoots. However, this doesn't work with timecode being received via the audio input jack.